How to buy clothes in Pinterest app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to shop for clothes directly from the Pinterest app, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to find and buy your favorite outfits. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So first and foremost, open the Pinterest app, and then on the search icon, you can type for outfits, the specific outfit that you want. And after searching for it, you'll see an interface with outfits. Now, scroll down and I tap on this. Here, you might notice that there's an only option to save, but there's no option for visit site. So go back and click on other links that catch your eye. For example, this. Scroll down and there you see visit site option. Just tap on it and it will take you directly to the retailer's website. Now you can easily shop from Amazon. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.